What is going on, guys? We are back again. We have another Pakistan gem right here. This little pocket knife right here is pretty neat. Let's take a look at this guy. Pretty neat little guy here. So this is 18 inches open, 8-inch blade, stiletto-like style handle. Huge lock back. There's your lock for the yeah, it's your lock. This does have brass lining. I'm surprised. This thing is big as fuck. It does have a nice little get your little nail in there and open her up. And there she goes. It says BUDK. We got, you're probably not going to see this on camera, but it does say Pakistan right there. Very nice. It actually is, there's no blade play in this fucking thing. It's solid as hell. It's actually pretty fucking insane. Pretty insane here. This thing is bigger than shit right here, boys. 8-inch blade. Here, let's see, we can compare it to something here. Let's get the Kershaw, the Weldon here. There you go. That gives you an idea of what the fuck this thing is here. It's actually pretty sturdy. It doesn't say what steel. I'm sure it's probably, if I had to guess, it would be 440 stainless, maybe. Something along those lines. Here, let's get a piece of paper over here, boys. Let's see if this thing can cut. Ooh, it's trying. There we go. It's kind of sharp up here, I guess. Let's see. Once again, it feels very sharp, but it's not very sharp. This will cut your ass, though. Make no mistake. It will cut your ass. Let's see, BUDK. This thing is a monster fucking knife. It's pretty neat. I like it. Well, my brother gave this to me. I don't know where it came from. Probably flea market or when. You know, it's one of those Pakistani gems. If you see some of my videos, we did have a beautiful Pakistani mother of plastic orange handled butterfly knife that was just beautiful in there too. So holy shit, this thing is insane. Alright, we'll be back, guys, with some more stuff here. Take it easy.